I'm Alex. I am a salesman here at 3G Home Exteriors. Today we are here at a project on Tidewater Cir in Fort Myers. We have a full crew out here today. This house is pretty unique. As you can see, it's massive, and we are here helping with a remodel of the entire house as far as soffit and trim. It was just currently painted, and we are here to update the look of the exterior. You don't have to have a massive home. We do everything from small homes to homes like this to full-on commercial jobs. Basically, when it comes to soffit, fascia, and gutters, that is what we specialize in here at 3G. Whether it's residential or commercial, if you're needing some work done, give us a call at 3G. We look forward to talking to you.